Good afternoon, guys. So today is very big day for me. I got an achievement, so that I will show you in the end of the video. So for now I will show you my workshop. I will introduce you the workers and I will show you the machinery of my workshop. So must follow me. Okay, so this is my father. He is the owner of this workshop named Akhtar Engineering Works. So now he will tell you about this workshop.
My name is Muhammad Yunus. I am son of Haji Akhtar Ali. He is the founder of this organization, workshop. His workshop is established in 1959. His mostly work is of fabrication and mechanical works of different type of company and organization, like a pharmaceutical company, construction company, power plants, bread grinding mill, and other allied engineering companies.
So he is Sarfaraz. He is a lathe machine operator. So now he is turning a shaft on a manual lathe machine. So as you can see, So guys, his name is Shafaullah and he is Bilal, and right now they are welding a water geyser tank. So as you can see, this is the water geyser tank. So this is the big machine and its name is the sheet bender machine. So the guy right now, he is bending a sheet metal on it, as you can see. So this is the sheet rolling machine, and right now the worker is rolling the sheet metal for the water geyser tank. So this is the milling machine, and so this is the radial arm drilling machine, and this is the old lathe machine. As you can see, this is very old lathe machine. And this is also one of the lathe machine. So this is the big lathe machine. You can see the size of this lathe big machine, that is too huge. Shaper machine, and this shaper machine is very old shaper machine. So here comes the achievement. So this is the silver play button which we got from the YouTube. So this is all because of the hard work of my workers. So this is the silver play button. So I will unbox it. And first there is a letter from the YouTube team. And there is a card. It is from the Society Award, and this is the award which we got. So this is the silver play button from the YouTube. So it become possible because of all my audience. You like my videos, you subscribe me, so that's why I got this award.